Hi, my name is Anika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy eggless cherry ice cream. The ingredients are 2 cups of pitted cherries, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to now add all of the ingredients in the blender. First, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cherries and leave that other half cup and save them for later. These are fresh cherries that I'm using and I just pitted them. Then 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Then 1 cup of whole milk. 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, then about a teaspoon of lemon, and last, a pinch of salt. The salt and lemon helps bring out the cherry flavor. Now I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to start blending it very slowly, so start off there. Then once the cherry ice cream mixture is all creamy and smooth, we're going to now start to make it into an actual ice cream. So I'm going to use the Cuisinart ice cream maker. So I'm going to go get my freezer bowl from the freezer. And it needs to sit in the freezer for at least 20 minutes for this to actually work. Then I'm going to add the mixing blade, the lid, then I'm going to turn it on. Now I'm going to start to pour this. So this is where the half cup of pitted cherries comes into play now. So I'm going to let that churn for about 15 more minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to cut these cherries into small pieces. It's been 15 minutes, so now I'm going to pour in the chopped cherries. So the ice cream's all done now. And you can just eat it like this if you want kind of like a soft serve, but I'm gonna place it in a separate container and keep it in the freezer for a couple more hours because I would like it more firm. But you can always just keep it in the same freezer bowl and keep it in the freezer. I just brought this from the freezer and now I'm gonna place it on a cone. Time for the taste test. It tastes delicious. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!